Your blind spot number two. Many of you do know that tax leakage is one of your biggest blind spot. And you're here, you're savvy investors. You have been with Chris. You have probably talked about our father, the rich dad of the country, Robert Kiyosaki quadrant, moving from self-employment, who pays the maximum tax, to employees, 30 to 40% tax bracket, business owners, because they now do the expenses first and then pay taxes, little bit less. But astonishingly, huge amount of investors are to the 0% tax bracket or moving towards that 0% tax bracket. So really trying to move from the left to the right of it. But really, when we talk about a tax destroyer, is it the money that you are paying to taxes? Is that the only leakage? It's only damage you have? Let's take $50,000 that you earn every year with the 25% tax bracket, 15% tax bracket, and 0% tax bracket. If you put this money to compound 7% year after year, just for 10 years, not more than that, the leakage, the true impact of this leakage of the tax dollars, the difference between the 0% and 25% with that growth is about 200K growth. So that's what you're losing. Is you are not losing the tax dollars that you're losing today, but it's the growth of this perpetuity in future that you're losing on those tax dollars. If you want to save taxes, what's the first thing that come to your mind? So let's talk about the true impact of the qualified plan. Suppose you contribute 20,000 per year for 25 years, say about 500K. You will save significant amount of taxes. That's about, even at the 37% tax bracket, about $185,000. It's what you will save. But now let's talk about if you even triple that money in those 25 years, but even if you just triple that money, and now you're taking that money out, now somebody has to pay taxes. If you start taking that money out, and if you can successfully take that money out, even at the lowest tax bracket, 22%, you're going to pay about $330,000 in taxes, much more than what we actually save. So the money that you diligently save taxes on and put it into your retirement account, whether it's your retirement or whether you pass it to your heirs, is going to have a humongous tax bill.